In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Pine script in Tradingview so you can create and use your own custom indicators or strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Pine Editor tab. This will open the coding area where you can write or paste your script. If you see a read-only script, don't worry. Click on the drop-down menu in the editor and choose Make a Copy. Then give your script a name and save it so you can edit it freely. Now, delete the existing code if needed and paste your own Pine script into the editor. Once your script is ready, click on the Add to Chart button at the top of the editor. Tradingview will process the code and apply it directly to your chart. If there are any errors, you'll see messages in the editor. Just fix them and try again until your script runs properly. You can also click Save anytime to keep your script stored in your account for future use. This is how you create custom indicators, strategies, or automate parts of your analysis using Pine script. That's it. With just a few steps, you can start using your own scripts and customize your Tradingview experience. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.